we're so glad you're here. Violet, it's good to see you and your mom. We're thrilled to have you here. Hey, unfortunately, I can't let you through though unless you have a mask this evening. Do you guys have your facial coverings? And there's hand sanitizer for you to use.
Yes, we brought them right here for your class, right? You want to sit down real quick? Okay. You need any help with it? No,
Perfect. Okay, so you both have your masks. We welcome you inside our building. We just asked it to be very brief, okay? Try to limit touching anything within the classroom other than your own desk, Violet. Go ahead and put your stuff down on your desk or in your desk. It looks like you brought your backpack with you. You can even check out your locker. Good, but we'd like you to avoid kind of walking around the building, spending a lot of time in the classroom. We want you to be in and out within 5 minutes, okay? Okay, Violet and Mom. You know where you're going?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, super.
Awesome, thanks. Let's see if we can find your desk. You're doing such a good job of not touching things, right? Yep, that's okay. We just need reminders. That's all right.
Yeah. Where's my desk? My desk.
Oh, here you go, honey. Right here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, here. I'll take this stuff. Okay. Yeah. You know, I'm sorry that your teacher wasn't here today. I know that you were looking forward, but didn't you get to meet her on a Google Meet earlier?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah. So that's no problem at all. So, you know what? And guess what? Tuesday's coming really, really soon. We'll be here before you know it. So anyway, all right, bye classroom. We'll see you Tuesday.
Bye, classroom.
All right, here you go, sweets.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.